We have a question. In CISC architecture, most of the complex instructions are stored in dash. The questions are A. Register, B. Diodes, C. CMOS, D. Transistors. So here the registers and diodes, these two devices are not storage device. So you cannot use register and diode to store complex instructions. And the option C, CMOS, which is complementary MOSFET, is the latest technology that we have, which involve only the majority carrier for current conduction. And this CMOS is also very good for high power applications. But the transistor option C, that transistor involve majority carrier as well as minority carriers. So here when we have very high temperature, the minority carriers involvement increases, which affects the current conduction. So that's why the transistor is not a good solution for storage devices. So the two option, CMOS and the transistor, these are the storage device. But the problem is, if you see the history, the CISC was introduced in around 1970s. So at that time, the highly optimized CMOS was not available. So we had only the option of transistor. So the CISC actually use the transistor technology to store these complex instruction. So the answer is D, transistors.